Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Denise, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this little makeup look right here. I just wanted to pull a cute little look together. Yes, I did cut my hair. I did a big chop. This is all my natural curly hair. No more relaxed hair. Anyways, the whole hair thing, we'll discuss that in a different video. As for now, I'm going to go in and just jump into this tutorial, so just keep on watching. Okay, so starting off, I'm going to be applying the Too Faced Hangoverx primer, and then I'm going to follow up by using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Natural Beige. I'm going to be applying this all over my face using the Morphe sponge, which I've been really loving lately. Shout out to my friend Valeria for getting me the sponge. Ay. So I pretty much apply this all over my face except for underneath my eyes and like my eyelids and certain parts of my forehead because it's weird. Because I use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer to highlight underneath my eyes, my cupid's bow, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my chin. You know, pretty much the high points of my face because that's what highlighting is for. I don't know why I just clapped. Anyways, we're going to be blending that out with a sponge at first, but then I realized I really don't like using sponges to blend out my concealer. And that's when I realized that it looked kind of weird, so I was like, you know what, we're just going to use a brush. Like, we always use brushes, girl. What are we doing? So now I'm just going to enhance the frame of my face, which are my eyebrows, and I'm going to be using the Brow Wiz from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is in the shade Chocolate. I've just recently switched over to using the shade because for the past 5 years I've been using dark brown, and I felt like I needed a change. I felt like I needed something a little bit softer, a little bit less mean looking, you know. Now I'm going to be applying this eyeshadow base from NYX, and I believe this is in the shade White. I'm going to go ahead and apply that all over my lids, and then I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD MicroFinish powder, and I'm going to be setting the rest of my face with that, and also my eyelids. Make sure you do that so that way your eyeshadow can blend easier when your base is set. Then taking the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, I'm going to be using that to contour my face, and I do blend. Okay, I don't want to be walking around looking like a zebra, so I do blend that out afterwards. Then taking the Amrezy highlight from Anastasia Beverly Hills, I'm going to be applying that onto my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, all the high points of my face. Okay, so now taking the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette, I'm going to be using the shade Salted Caramel and apply it onto my crease, just to use it as a transitioning shade. Okay, so now I'm going to take the eyeshadow Almond from the Burgundy palette from Kylie Cosmetics, and I'm going to be applying that directly onto my crease. And it looks really harsh right now, but that's okay because I'm going to blend it out with a transitioning shade. And the shade that I'm going to be using is the shade Beach from the Burgundy palette as well. And I'm going to be blending that out. It's a little bit hard to blend out, so always make sure that you use a setting powder after you apply your base, because if not, it'll be a little bit difficult to blend out. So I'm going to be cutting it with the concealer, and then afterwards I'm going to be setting it again. And I'm going to be using the shade LA from the Burgundy palette, and I'm going to be applying that all over my lip. So now I'm applying the shade Burgundy onto my lower lash line. I did apply my eyeliner off camera, and it was the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in the shade Trooper. And I follow up with some black eyeliner on my waterline, and then I applied my Lights Camera Lash Mascara from Tarte, and I did apply falsies. I'll list them down below. Then to finish off the makeup look, I do use the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Dubai, and then we're done. Just kidding. Nope. I'm going to apply the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Leave-In Conditioner in my hair. And my hair is a little bit damp in this video, so I do sleek it down a little bit. And we're going to do a cute little ponytail, a little fluff in the back. And the only issue that I have is that my bangs don't reach the back of my head because big head problems and curly hair problems, short hair problems, all types of problems. So that's fine. There's always a solution to a problem. I go ahead and sleek it down the best I can, and then I apply a little bobby pin, and then we're good to go. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is a complete and final look. I like how it came out. It was a little bit stressful because I was having a whole bunch of malfunctions down here, but it all kind of like pulled together, didn't it? I hope so, because for this eyelash that just wants to fly away, like, girl, no, we're not doing that. But yeah, anyways, if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Like, comment, share, subscribe, as you all know, and I will see you in my next video. Oh, and I have Instagram. I don't think I mentioned that in any previous videos because it's been like a million years since I posted a video because that's just me. Sorry. We're just gonna go ahead and see you in the next video. Bye guys. Lovers and friends. Oh, it's a good look, baby. Let me see something. No. I got mascara on my nose. Why? I should have just let it dry. I just wanna keep calling your name. Up in this head. So yeah, I'll discuss that in a. My eyelashes are sticking again. I'm done. I'm tired of this crap. Oh my god. Somebody recommend me some good lash glue. This is just not working for me. What was I saying? There, you know how I'm just gonna rip this eyelash off? You can see how many times I've tried to reapply just by how worn out my eyeliner is. Like, this is bad. This is really bad. This is how you gonna fix it. I'm gonna show you. Just redo your wing. Pop some mascara on those lashes because they're bare right now. And there you have it. No, you don't. Wait, hold on. I gotta fix this little eyeshadow corner right here. Yes. Problem solved.